Happy Mariann, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do unboxing. I ordered this from ourplace.com. So let's see what's in this big fancy box. There is our place card. Oh, the lid. This is mine. There's a strainer, free strainer. There's a paper. Like this. I think it has a free. This comes along with the pan, and this is how. So when we're cooking, there's a hole. So when we're cooking, you can just put it there. Cooking chopsticks. So a handy pair of cooking chopsticks. So I have to learn how to cook with chopsticks this time. This is a steamer. So this comes with a steamer. This is my new all-in-one pan from ourplace.com. So this is the pan, of course non-stick. It has a strainer. Also, it comes with a wooden spatula. You see there's a hole because there's a holder in the pan. So while cooking, you can put your sunblock in your pan. And also, it comes with a wooden steamer. It looks sturdy and it looks a nice steamer. So I can steam vegetables. There's also a free sponge. It's just a natural sponge. Just soak it in water and it will pop up. And it's easy to clean this. Just soak in water and no steel wool. Just the regular sponge for cleaning. And it comes with a lid. This lid is not glass, but it's okay. I like that. And there's a cooking chopsticks too. A wooden cooking chopsticks. When cooking noodles. So this is my all-in-one pan. So frying pan, steamer, and so this this is my all-in-one pan from ourplace.com. Okay, thank you for watching.